Good morning. The date today, January 10th. Man, we've had some cold ones. However, that has changed. The Chinook came in yesterday, and presently it's +4. So, and the whole forecast now is our daytime highs will be above 0. So, super excited about that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get that there wall sheeted. We'll start there. We'll see how that goes. Set up some scaffold here so I can work on it. So we'll get that wall sheeted, get the soffit backing in there, and then I need to come over here and get this soffit backing in on this wall, and then we're going to make our way around and I'll start sheeting that. So I'm not going to set a big goal today just because this is all kind of complicated with the scaffolding. So I'll focus on just getting that and we'll go from there. Okay, we will frame in this first window a minute or two. Okay, this is just a scab to receive the sill. I do have to lay this out a sec. So my joint in my plates, you might not see it, is there. I'll hook onto it. 31 1/4, 47 1/4. 1632, 1632. Okay, I just need to get this distance. So I'll put this as if it was being fastened, like there. Scribe at the bottom. Put the scab on. Okay, now we start with these guys. Okay, top sill. That's not right. Looks like I forgot to add the header width. Again, just a scab to receive the edge of the sill. pieces ain't very critical, but now we'll start with it up against this edge. Toenail in here. Okay, now we need to lay the sill out. 17.3, 33.3. 17.3, 33.3/8. Flush it up. And now I can remove. Okay. Alright, we're going to put in these last two pieces, and then I can staple this wall off. Scaffold feels really good. We are putting in a mid-span, we'll call it stringer, to support the soffit, because this soffit is over 2 feet. So this will allow the exterior contractor to put a fastener somewhere towards the middle. So much fun. that. Okay, we'll make our way over that. Fasten that, and then all I have to do is I have to measure a piece in here, and then this soffit backing is done. Oops, sorry. Okay. Just that piece and we got it. Okay, that's the soffit backing on that wall. Now this one. Okay, that's that. Now, we will move to that wall, and I have to create a floor over that massively large window well. Okay, let's hope this fits. Move this down a bit. Fitting. I'll take that. Okay. Oh no, let's put another nail in that. Well, close to the end of the day, I'm going to staple this off. But we'll sign off for now. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and we'll see you on the next one.